Hello everyone, this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. I have just became an affiliate of Redmond salt. I was looking for a good, healthy choice of salt that is made in America. I personally bought this products myself. There is a discount code. It saves, I believe, 15%, Ralph's_trucking. And I use that to buy this. Let's show you what I got. All right, I bought the Redmond's Real Salt Assortment gift set, which has organic seasoned salt, organic onion salt, organic garlic salt, and this one is fine sea salt. Let's look at the back. That is everything for the nutrition. No calories, no fats, no carbs. Yes, it has sodium because it is salt. I also bought some hydration variety packs. I bought the assortment, 5 of each flavor, because I don't know which flavors I like. So I bought the assortment. And then which I know I will like, I will buy more of. And this one has lemon lime, mango, mixed berry, pina colada, strawberry lemonade, watermelon lime. Relight hydration variety pack. And then I got this one, Relight immunity sample pack. And it has blackberry, orange, pineapple sample pack, immunity. In case you just feel, you might be coming down with something. And then I bought 2 of the Ancient Fine Sea Salt. Unrefined mineral salt. Mined in America. I believe it's Utah. You can pause and read, and there's everything about it. And they do have other products, sea salts, Redmond clay, earth paste. They have animal salts. If you have animals and you give your horses or whatever salt blocks, they sell that. But like I said, I'll leave the discount code below. It's Ralph's_trucking to save you 15%. I'm really wanting to try this hydration because there's times I drink a lot of water, but I still feel dehydrated. So I'm going to try that out. And like I said, I got the immunity in case I ever feel, maybe it can knock it out. And of course, good old salt. Mined in America. I believe it's in Utah. Unrefined, unbleached, just pure out of the ground. Check them out. Redmond Salt. Talk to you all later.